This week we are making big moves, demolishing the kitchen, bringing down ceilings and clearing rooms here in our 1920s Bungalow by the Sea. Our big focus right now is to get this property prepped for the eventual extensions, as well as get some rooms back together so we can finally move in. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited for you to watch this week's video. There's lots of progress, lots of big moves that were made this week. And I think I was so excited that I completely forgot to do an intro for this video. So I'm currently back in the apartment and thought I would just introduce you to what we've been doing this week. So I also just want to say welcome to all of the new subscribers. There's now over 400 of us. So I really appreciate you wanting to come along on this renovation journey. It's also really lovely to read your sweet messages. A lot of you, I think, are from America and you've just been so kind to me. So thank you so much for that. And I will let you enjoy the video now. So I shall see you next week, but Pa Sophia will take over now. Already we've just cleared all of that space. And that's now in here. Grab the wheelbarrow and start getting all of this out. At least then this hallway will be semi-cleared. And then I also need to empty out some of these bags and get rid of all of that. Oh, and we're also taking this bit of the kitchen down today, which is really exciting. It's whoa, careful. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you've cut along that one.
Yeah, I've cut along that one, so now I'm just going to cut this one out here.
God, oh my God. Oh wow, nice. Nice little crack along that lintel. Oh! I'm gonna have to like bleep out all my swearing.
Yeah, bleep out me jumping because it makes me look like I don't know what I'm doing.
You do, it's fine, it's fine. Nice. There we go. completely took out that chair. Oh wow. So there's 2 more beams basically to take down, and then that's it.
And then that's it. And then what we'll do is take this front off.
Yeah.
And then we can put a nice little... I actually love it without the flat roof. Just having it like that looks so nice.
Yeah.
It looks so nice.
It's not in the plan though.
Not in the plan.
That's the annoying thing.
I think it's because I like seeing the 3 roofs like that.
Yeah. This is basically back to how it was, right? Yeah, years and years ago.
Right, we good?
We're good. We're ready. Finally. So I've just completely poked myself in the eye and it's really sore. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, we move. So yeah, my plan is to finish clearing the rest of this room. Oh, it's so sore. And then we're gonna start boarding up the end of the hallway and part of the kitchen just so it's actually secure, which is obviously ideal. So yes, we've got our boards, which Jamie is measuring and cutting down. It's looking so good. It'd be nice when we get this steel out and then it's completely taken out. And then you would have noticed that we took the window out. And that's now currently here. So we're gonna sell that because it still works and everything. It's a pretty decent window, to be fair. At some point we're gonna completely sledgehammer this out, but I'm not sure if that's going to be today or not. But yeah, I'm going to add it more, and then you can hear all the school kids coming out of school. Another job that needs doing, which is very tedious, so I'm not going to film this too much, but I need to take all of the nails from these joists, because obviously when you put, you know, new ceilings up, you can't really put it over nails, so I need to do this painstaking job. But I've kind of done this end here. So yeah, that's my plan for right now, just to get all of this down. Just finished taking all of this off. And then I swept up, and I've also moved all of the tools that were in this space. We have had several conversations very recently about when the moving date is going to be. And for various reasons that we might go into later on, I'm not sure, we kind of need to start getting some of the rooms back together so we can move in. This nursery being one of the rooms, so at least James has somewhere to work. This could be his studio space, as well as storage for all of the boxes that we've got currently in the apartment. So it makes sense to sweep it all up and then also start making plans to build a wall so that this completely gets turned into a room again, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is actually carry on in this hallway, clearing up all of these crumbs, and actually start taking down some of the nails in the joists, just so that this part is clear. And then I'm going to go home. So there's been a development. I'm still here. I didn't film it, but I suddenly just got like a wash of motivation, and I started taking down the ceiling in this living room. And I wanted to do it, but I was a bit scared because I am afraid of heights. So, and it's been something that I've been working on for a long time now. So I kind of just like got the balls and just ended up going there and making a load of mess. Let me show you where we're at. So I made a bit of a mess, and then this is what's come down. So I'm just going to bag up all of this insulation and just do a bit of a sweep. And then in here, yeah, that's all come from just trying to get all of the nails off, which, to be honest, I'm almost there. It's just these side ones that are a little bit buried within this. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's from the previous ceiling boards, but yeah, they're all kind of, all of the nails are embedded in that. And on this side as well. Look, they're the ones that you can kind of get, but there's likely to be another one within that. We're getting there, which is really, really exciting. Oh, I'm like tripping over things now. I love videos like this. I feel like a lot of stuff has happened and we're one step closer to getting this place ready to move into. I think I'm going to leave this video here, but thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I shall see you next week. Bye guys.